Google has just released the Pixel 8 Pro, their greatest update in 3 years, with a slew of new capabilities. The Pixel 8 Pro will get operating system updates and feature drops over the next 7 years. It's not only a matter of 7 years of security updates. The Pixel 8 series will get Android updates for the next 7 years, which is ridiculous. It goes above and beyond what Apple provides with its iPhones. Enhanced Zoom Enhance allows you to zoom in on photographs and reproduce fine detail after they've been captured. This fascinating feature employs generative AI to fill in pixel gaps and forecast minor features, resulting in sharper zoomed-in photos. The Pixel 8 Pro's Video Boost allows it to capture HDR videos with even better color grading than before. Google displayed a video comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the contrast is night and day. Keep in mind that when you record with Video Boost, the phone records 2 files. One is your typical video, ready to share right away. The other Google refers to it as RAWish, and then proceeds to Google's servers for some backstage magic. It takes a few hours to complete, but you'll be notified when it's finished. Google is expanding its night vision technology to videos by making considerable gains when filming in low-light conditions. Google even calls the Pixel 8 Pro the best phone on the market for low-light smartphone video, which says a lot. Magic Editor is a brand new generative AI editing tool that completely transforms your photos. You may move items about, resize them, change the viewpoint of your pics, remove undesirable elements, and even change the lighting location. If you want to be creative with your pics, having it right in your camera seems like a game changer. Photoshop can accomplish some of this now. The Photo Magic Eraser from Google has been updated to do its magic on audio as well. Background noises may now be easily removed from videos, making them sound much better. The Pixel 8 series also includes a fascinating software function called Best Take, which enables you to alter the faces after taking the photo. When you snap a picture, the phone will take a series of photos and choose the finest elements from each one. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.